What's up, guys? We got a CX50. We installed the Vantrue. Okay, everything is hardwired. We went ahead and got the hardwired kit, and this is the installation right here. And then the back camera goes in the back there. No wire showing anywhere. Okay.
And he did an amazing job. Quality installation.
That was funny. And when you turn off the car, it takes a few seconds and it will turn off. You can download the app. It comes with the camera, and you can go through the settings. You can turn on parking mode, and you can select how many hours you want when you turn off the car, that the parking mode stays on. So in other words, the camera will stay recording when you turn off the car. You do in the settings through the app. It's called parking mode, and you can select it. A lot of people don't want it on because it's pointless, but some people they want it on parking lots because they might have co-workers that are messing with their vehicles or whatnot. So you want to record while you're at work or whatever, but normally it's when you're driving it records. But you can turn on parking mode. It's very easy to do right under your settings. This dash cam was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers is 305-298-4814. Whoever has these dash cams, you buy them. You can buy them from Amazon. They got tons of brands you can get. And you just call us and we do the installation. We thank you for watching this video.